Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to show you 4 gel polishes from Madam Glam, and these were complimentary. I didn't pay anything for them. And out of the 4, 3 of these are actually no wipe top coats. The other one is actually a gel polish. So this one is gel polish, and this one is called Frosty Fantasy. And these 3 are actually top coats, no wipe top coats. So let's go through these and see how they look. And I have my nails here. This is gel. And what I'm going to do, and actually here's the plain one because I'm going to do that one with the one gel polish that I have. And the one gel polish I have is Frosty Fantasy. So I'm going to put this on this one. And these are right up my alley because I've told you 1,000 times, I love glitter. The more glitter, the better. Okay, so there's Frosty Fantasy, and that's an actual gel polish. Now we're going to do the other 3. So the first one I'm going to do is Sparkle On. And I'm going to put this one on first. Very pretty. A lot of cool colors in that one. And here it is. The top, Sparkle On. The next one I'm going to do is Touches of Silver. Very pretty silver flecks. And I like the fact that they're not very, solid. So you're not, the whole nail isn't covered by the glitter. And then the last one is Touches of Bronze. Very pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to put this under here. So these polishes, if you've never tried Madam Glam, they're great because they are easy to put on. They level well. They're just really good polishes. So if you've never tried them, you definitely should. And I think that you'll be extremely impressed with them. So I used to just buy polishes from Sally Beauty, and once I started using these, I realized these were so great. And if you do decide to order any product from Madam Glam, don't forget that I have a 35% discount that you can use, and it is in my comments on the discount. So feel free to do that. Use that up, and that gives you 35% off. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and do another one of these. Very pretty. Almost looks like a diamond, diamonds, because it's got the, I don't know, it just reminds me of diamonds. And that one is Frosty Fantasy. Okay. Next one is Sparkle On. Next one is Touches of Silver. And the last one is Touches of Bronze. Aren't those pretty? I think they are gorgeous. Let me run these under the light. And then we'll put a little top coat on there and we'll see how they look. So I just think their product is really good. They deliver quickly and they wrap them correctly so that way they don't have, they don't come broke or opened or anything like that. So I think Madam Glam does a great job in it has a great product, and they do a great job mailing it as well. They're just, I just can't say enough good things about them. And they have such a large amount of colors that it's like you're totally confused by the time you're done looking on their website. The one good thing though about these videos is at least you get to see what these videos look, or what these polishes look like before you, order them. So I'm going to put a top coat on this one. And those are already top coated, so I don't have to do anything with those. And I think they are gorgeous. I can't tell you which one my favorite is because I like them all. So let me just put that under there. And I'm using Madam Glam's top coat, and I use their base coat. So you can go online and find those as well. And I don't even know how many polishes Madam Glam has, how many different colors. But they also have a line of regular polish too. So I don't think there's very much of it, but because their specialty is definitely gel. So if you've never tried gel or you've never tried Madam Glam, I think you should, because it's nice polish. So there you go. There is the nails, and I think they are gorgeous. I really like this one. I like the way the glitter is like in different sizes, and actually on this one too. No, is it this one or this? It's this one. So on this one, the glitter is different sizes too. It's got the tiny ones, and then it's got like bigger flakes. But I think these are gorgeous. I love this one. I would have to say this is probably my favorite. I do like this gel polish. I just think it looks cool. So there you go. If you haven't tried Madam Glam, try them. They have great polish. And thanks for watching.